At the start of the Northern Marianas Pacific minigames, first responders carried the ceremonial flag in honor of their efforts to keep the Pacific safe in this pandemic. Athletes are in top shape arriving, and medical officials at the island's only hospital hope to keep it that way.
We are expecting an influx of almost 2,000 people, and so CHCC has set up some precautions to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19.
Dr. Muldoon says there's an uptick of community cases even before the games began, and as of last week, at least 2 athletes tested positive.
The athletes have been provided daily COVID antigen swabs by the COVID task force, and they are expected to swab daily and report any positive cases to the contact tracers. CHCC is playing a role by being available for helping with contact tracing, and also if anybody tests positive, we can help connect them to different therapeutics if they qualify for treatment for COVID. And then of course our ER is open 24 hours a day, and if anybody needs care, we are there to take care of them.
And back on the field, each venue has medical tents staffed by the Red Cross, Department of Fire and Emergency Medical Services, and hospital staff.
It means for all of us that we should be taking extra precautions to ensure that we personally can stay safe and that our communities stay safe. And we can do that by masking primarily. If you are inside with a group of people that are outside of your household, mask up. And I also recommend for us to, if you are high risk of contracting COVID and have a high risk of poor outcomes, if any comorbidities like hypertension or diabetes or cancer, to try to avoid high risk or high crowded areas to make sure that you continue to stay personally safe.
It's all in an effort to ensure celebrations don't have to happen in isolation. Tomas Manglonia for KUAM News on Saipan.